Hello, good morning. I am Dr. Prasad Babu, surgical gastroenterologist, Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad. We are very happy to treat Ms. Flora Fredrick, who traveled all the way from Tanzania to see us. She has been suffering from a problem called colostomy. She has been suffering with that colostomy from the past 10 to 12 years. She underwent a major colonic surgery in emergency basis in her own country, where they have resected the colon for unknown reasons. Then they tried to fix it up by doing a second surgery and they rejoined the right colon to the rectum. But unfortunately, that surgery was unsuccessful. There was a leak, and they re-explored and revised the procedure, and they made her to live with a stoma, that is where the intestine will be kept outside of the abdominal wall, where the motion has to collect into a bag. And she has been moving with that bag from the past for the past 10 to 12 years, and all the doctors and all they suggested not to undergo any surgery, and they advised she has to live permanently with the stoma bag. She visited several countries, and they were all apprehensive about redoing a major surgery on her, especially when there was a failed procedure. She approached our international team. Our team suggested my name, and they visited our place, and we thoroughly investigated her. The challenge was in her, there was a big large hernia was also there along with the stoma on the right side, and the rectal stump, that where near the anal passage, the rectal stump was very short rectal stump. In her, we thought that we would like to do all the procedures together, where we had to do hernia repair of the where the near the stoma, and also restoration of the right colon to the rectum. So we did this 6 hours marathon surgery on her, and God's grace and all the help of our teammates, we could able to do a successful operation, and we could able to discharge the Miss Flora on the 5th day, and we can all see a smile on her face. She could able to get rid of her the bag after 10 to 12 years, which was accompanying her on day-to-day basis. I would like to thank all our teammates and also our international staff for all the support, and thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Flora Fredrick Siyame. I'm from Tanzania. I had a problem with my stomach. I used colostomy bag for more than 10 to 12 years. When I decided to come to India, first in my country, they do many operations. In the other country, I went even to China, but they couldn't do it. I decided to meet Dr. Sharif. He's one of my doctors in Dar es Salaam. He's the one who advised me to come to India. After telling him my problem, we discussed, and he tried to get in touch with Yashoda Hospital in India. Dr. Sharif is the one doctor in Global. They have the company there in Dar es Salaam. He's the one who assisted me to come here to India. First time I met his wife, Salma. Salma, she's the one who introduced me to Dr. Sharif. After we discussed with them about my problem, they say that let me come to India. They'll try to see how they can do. Dr. Sharif spoke to Dr. Prasad, international officer, who is the one who is dealing with international people. They arranged for my trip to come here to India. I met Dr. Prasad. Then Dr. Prasad introduced me to Dr. Babu, the one who make my surgery. The first day when I come here, they introduced me to another international care officer, Anju. She's the one who taking care of me. She arranged everything for me. She's a very nice person, good heart. He gave me all the assist what I need. He took me to see Dr. Babu. The first day when I meet Dr. Babu, he observed me and checked my health. He took all the necessary things. They arranged for me for my operation, and he told me that everything is going to be done. The other countries, they didn't do it for me, but him, we said that he could do. He arranged for me for my operation. I went for After 2 days, I go for operation. Then all my treatment was going good. My operation was successful. Thank you for everything. The nurses, they are very good. They treat me very well because I was alone with my only God. They take care of me. The room was very clean. The hospital is very clean, very good. As you can see, I was feeling very happy and comfortable. Thank you for everything. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.